Colby, 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 math.com.
We're problem solving using Venn diagrams. On this assignment, I want to mention that problem number 1 asks you to model the information. So unlike the other problems, number 1, you're just modeling, you're creating the Venn diagrams and then labeling the circles, placing the numbers where they go. There's nothing to solve on number 1 except to figure out which value goes in which section of the diagram. I'm going to do problem number 3 with you. The language club has 30 members. 15 are enrolled in Spanish. Of those, 5 are also enrolled in French. There are 9 students enrolled in French only. How many students are enrolled in neither Spanish nor French? First, we want to create a Venn diagram with the two categories, Spanish, students taking Spanish and students taking French. So I'll create my two circles. Label one of them Spanish and the other one French. Then start to read through the clues. The language club has 30 members. I can't place that 30 anywhere because some of those 30 members will be taking Spanish, some will be taking French, some might be taking neither Spanish nor French. So we keep reading. 15 are enrolled in Spanish. That means that the sum of the two numbers in these two regions have to add up to 15, because some of those 15 students might be also taking French, and so I can't do anything with that number 15. The common error that students will make is as soon as they read that 15 are enrolled in Spanish, they'll put a 15 here, but that's like saying that none of those 15 students are also taking French, and we don't know that yet. The next clue says of those 15, 5 are also enrolled in French. So we can do something with that, because of the 15 students taking Spanish, 5 are also taking French. So the students taking Spanish and French are a total of 5 students. So I can put that there. There are 9 students enrolled in French only. Well, this section of the diagram would be the French only section, so I can put a 9 there. In fact, if you look back at number 2, there's a clue that said 63 have garages only, and so that could go in the garage only section. That's a common misunderstanding when I grade this homework. So if you want to look back at number 2 after this video, you can. Why don't you take it from here and see if you can figure out where the other numbers go, and see if you can answer this question once you fill in the Venn diagram during the pause.
Paused.
So in order to finish this, we have to go back through the clues. The language club has 30 members. I still can't really do anything with that because some of the members might not be taking Spanish or French. The next clue says 15 are enrolled in Spanish. Well, that means the sum of these two numbers has to be 15. And since 5 are also taking French, there must be 10 taking Spanish only. And this is the point where we can go back to this 30 members idea. Because ultimately we're trying to answer this question: how many students are enrolled in neither Spanish nor French? How many are not accounted for of those 30? I guess the tricky part here is understanding that this 5 should not be counted twice. This just represents 5 people. The 5 people just happen to be taking both languages. So of the 30 members of the club, so far we've accounted for 10 plus 5, or 15 plus 9, is 24 members. If we subtract that from the 30 members in the club, we find out that 6 are taking neither Spanish nor French, and so they would be outside of the Venn diagram. And so the answer would be 6 members. When you do the one on the back with the 3 categories, are popcorn, candy, and nachos. So you'll be making a triple Venn diagram. And I just want to say, when you're doing that, make sure that your intersections are sufficiently large to fit numbers in them. So if I labeled this, for example, popcorn, candy, and nachos, this intersection would represent the moviegoers who ate all 3 snacks. And then I would also have intersections for each pair of snack, like popcorn and candy, candy and nachos, and popcorn and nachos. Okay, I hope that helped with the assignment. I'll see you tomorrow.